Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to online support program by APS Girls JLM. I am your computer teacher of class 6 and I am going to start today's lecture. We are going to start module 2, creating a document, task number 3, images and graphics. By the end of lecture, you will be able to insert an image from clip art or file. You will be able to format that image. You will be able to rotate that image, crop that image, add different effects to that image. You will be able to add borders around text, page, image, and then last you will be able to adjust image around the text. Let's start. For this, open MS Word. I have already opened. Go to new blank document, create. First thing that we are going to start is inserting image. We can add different pictures, images, shapes to our document for making it look more attractive. For this, if you want to insert an image, you have to go to insert tab. Then there are different options whether you want to insert a picture, clip art, shapes, smart art, chart or a screenshot. If you want to add a picture that is there already saved in your computer in your document, first of all you have to click that option picture, then select where the folder or the location where that picture is saved. Suppose I want to add this picture and select the picture and go to insert. Now see, the picture has been inserted. I can resize the picture from the corner. Select the corner, drag and drop to the point where you want to resize the image. See? Now secondly, I will tell you how to insert image from clip art. Clip art, what is clip art? Clip art is it's a main library of drawings, pictures, sound that is already saved in your Microsoft Word. If you don't have some picture in your desktop, in your computer, you can add picture from clip art library. Click clip art. See, if you search for something, search for image, right? Suppose I want to search smile. So click on go. Wait for some time until the list of all the required images is populated. So see, these are the images. If you want to insert this one, right click on the image and click on insert. Wait for some time until your image is inserted. See, our image has been inserted. Close that clip art, resize the image. You want to resize it and right, I'll delete the previous one. Okay, after that we will learn how to give border to this image. If you want to give border, first of all double click on this picture. When you double click, all the relevant formatting options will appear. After double clicking, the format bar will appear. Go to picture border, select the color of your border, suppose orange. After that, select the amount of the thickness of your border, suppose this one. See, your border has been applied to the picture. After that, I will tell you how to rotate the picture. Again, double click the picture, go to rotate option. This is how you can rotate your picture. See, your picture has been rotated. Right? You can also crop your picture. Cropping means you want to select some selected part of the picture, then you can crop the picture. Double click on the crop, crop option, see, then select the desired amount, desired area of the picture. Like I have drag and drop these arrows, the corner arrows, and after that go to crop. Now see, your picture has been cropped. After that I will give some effects to this picture. You can add different picture styles, different artistic effects to your picture. For this, double click the image, and after that you have to select these picture styles. There are different several styles that are available in this option. See, I have applied this one. So this is how you are going to apply picture style. Then you can add border to your page as well. For adding border to your page, you have to go to page layout. After that, page border. The option of page border will appear. You can select the style of the border. You can also select the color of the border. You can also select the width of your border line, suppose, and then you can also select the area where you want to apply the border. For example, you want to apply to the whole document, to the specific page, to the section, or to the first page or to all the section except the first page. Click OK. See, the border has been applied. You people can add different artistic border in your document as well. For adding artistic border, again go to page layout, page border. After this, go to art. These are some artistic borders that are present. Select any of this, click OK. See, your border has been applied to whole of the page. After this, you are going to you can also add page color. Go to page layout, then page color. Select the color, any color you want to give to your page. Now see, this is how you can add different color. Next, I am going to tell you how you can wrap your text around the picture. For this, let's type something. Let's type randomly. Suppose this is the text. Now I will tell you what is wrap text. Wrap text adjusts your image around the text. You want to adjust this image after fourth line. Now move it. It means your text is dispersed. You are unable to adjust the image around your text. For this, what you have to do, you have to wrap that image. For wrapping that image, right click your image, go to wrap text. Now there are different options of wrapping your text. In line with the text, adjust the image in line with the text. Square, adjust the image in the square form. All the text is around that image. Tight, through, top and bottom, adjust the image. Leave the left and right side of the picture empty, and you can adjust it image, and all the text is on the top and the bottom. Then behind the text, your image is behind the text. After that, in front of the text. Now your text is at the back and your image is in front. So this is how you can adjust your text and image according to your desire, right? Okay. Now you can also add different picture effects like this. First of all, click on the picture, go to picture effects, These are the different effects that you are going to. You can also adjust this effect in 3D form, three-dimensional form, like this. See? You can also add glow around your picture like this. See how interesting it is to format the picture according to your own desire. You can also customize it and it looks more attractive. Now see, these are the glowy area around the border of your picture. I hope you understood today's lecture. If you have any query, you can ask me, and now it's your home task. You have to practice all these features and let me know if you have any query or any confusion. And after completing this practical, you have to send me a video and a picture of your work. Thank you so much, all of you.